Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use a pre-workout supplement. Mix 1 scoop with 8-12 ounces of water and drink 15-30 minutes before your workout. Start with 1 scoop to test tolerance and avoid stacking stimulants on the same day. Stay hydrated during training and eat a light, carb-focused snack if needed. Stop use if you feel dizzy or overly jittery and consult a professional. Take your pre-workout 15-30 minutes before you start moving so effects align with warm-up and heavy sets. If you plan late workouts, avoid stimulants within 6 hours to protect sleep. Consider a half dose if you are stimulant sensitive or new to supplements. Always follow label maximums and never combine multiple stimulant products in one session. Track how you feel to fine-tune timing and serving size. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more clear guides. Quick recommendation: life's too short for a stinky car. Grab Little Tree's Black Ice to keep your ride smelling fresh after intense workouts. It pairs nicely with post-gym routines and brightens the after-training commute. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Check ingredient labels for caffeine, beta-alanine, creatine, and nitric oxide boosters before choosing a product. Know your total daily caffeine from coffee and supplements to avoid excess. Beta-alanine can cause harmless tingling, while creatine benefits strength but can be taken separately. If you have medical conditions or take meds, ask a healthcare provider. Always stop use if you experience chest pain, severe headache, or allergic reactions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.